So today I'm gonna be working on my daily driver, this G35 here. When I was driving it to school a week or two ago, the thing started misfiring really bad, and it was the coil pack, so I ordered 2 off of eBay, and that was a fiasco in itself. But we're about to install them and see if it fixes it. Order of business will be getting this little engine cover here off and just kind of opening up the engine bay for being able to see everything easy. It's a cylinder 6 misfire, so we'll be getting this intake off here, which has been on since I changed the motor. So I got it out. It's real dirty. Hopefully I picked the right one and this fixes it. So there's really no good place to put the camera, but I'm just gonna set it right there. This is the new one, new used one that is. I'm trying to just drop it down in this hole and make sure it plugs in. And hopefully it does what it's supposed to. So not that you can really see anything, but I have everything back together. Just have to snap that plug back in and put the intake back on and see if it fixes it. So let's see if it cranks and runs right. Put the finishing touch on. Literally all you need to do, or need to have for this job, is a 10mm and a flathead. So it's actually pretty easy if you want to do it yourself. I would definitely suggest it.